companies like WooCommerce and I think Premier and all the big companies like Microsoft, even Apple. Hi, this is Arindam here, and welcome to another episode of Arindam's podcast, where I talk about digital marketing, lifestyle, entrepreneurships, and some digital hacks by which any of you can start your either online business or digital marketing business, or you can also become a freelancer, whichever you think is appropriate for you. So for today's video, it will be a very short video, which I got a lot of people asking me, how do you download your background image? Like if you're using a thumbnail or you're using some kind of image for your work. So how do you actually remove the background image of a particular thing? So let's explore this, and it's a very short video, so stay tuned, and at the end of the video I'm going to give you some interesting news. So let's begin. So what I'll do is I'll simply take it to my PC. So as you can see, this is my system, and I'll just go to Google. I would open one of the browser here, and I would just simply go to Google, and I would just type here, or I'll just directly type here remove.bg. As you can see, remove.bg means remove background. So that's the full form of remove.bg. Just simply go to Google and you download that. And you can see this is completely 100% automatically, and it's free. So this is a free tool by which you can just download, you can just remove the image, and you can see this was the original picture before it was download, the new background. So it's completely, and it does it in exactly 5 seconds with just one click, and it's very simple. And top companies like WooCommerce and I think Premier and all the big companies like Microsoft, even Apple is using it. So you can get that. Okay, so you can see this is a really reliable site, or you can see this is a reliable place by which you can use it. So what I'll do is that I'll simply click on upload an image here, and it will take me to one of my systems here, and I'll just click on random picture. This is one of my old picture with one of my friend. Okay, so this is the original picture, and see, this was the original picture with the background here, as you can see here, and this is completely removed. So what I can do is that I've just removed the picture, and I just click on download, and automatically it will be downloaded in my system. So once I downloaded, I open it. As you can see, this image is completely removed. As you can see, this is one of my old images. I would just expand a little bit more. As you can see, let's get it. So as you can see, it's very simple to use this product, and this is completely free. So what you can do is that you can also use your images for any particular work, and you can just remove it and also use it for any kind of thumbnails or presentations, whatever you feel, or maybe Microsoft Office or PowerPoint, for PowerPoint presentation, whatever you think is applicable for your business. So I thank you for watching this video. Once again, a very small video. I know it, but yes, in the future you'll get much better contents and much more longer videos about affiliate marketing, detailed YouTube strategy to rank as an SEO, and all these things coming up in this channel. So don't miss out on any channel. So click on the subscription button so that I see you in the upcoming videos, and do also comment in the comment section how you like my content, and what are you actually looking for as a digital marketer. If you are starting off, what are the things which you're facing that you are not able to start up digital marketing, and I would personally help you with that. And so thank you so much. Take care. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. All the best, and God bless.